Good morning students. Today we are going to see chapter 9 adjectives. Okay. So what is an adjective? An adjective gives more information about noun or pronoun. Okay. For example, there are 3 small black wooden chairs in this room. Okay. Focus on noun. Can you tell me which is adjective in this sentence? Let me tell you. 3 small black wooden. Those words are adjectives and gives more information about noun. Okay. So let them ask question. How many? 3. What size? Small. What color? Black. What material? Wooden. So 3 small black wooden. Those words are adjectives and gives more information about noun. Okay. Now we know that what is an adjective, isn't it? Next we are going to see kinds of adjectives. Okay. There are different kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives. Okay. First we are going to see adjectives of quality. Okay. So, what is an adjective of quality? An adjective of quality describe quality of person or thing. Okay, for example, okay, listen. Here I have written 3 sentences. Let's see. He made a powerful speech. Mr. Sharma is a wealthy person. She told a funny story. In the above the sentences, the words powerful, wealthy, funny. Those words refer adjectives of quality. Okay. So an adjectives of quality answer the question what kind of. Okay. What kind of means what kind of speech powerful, what kind of person wealthy person, what kind of story funny story. So the words powerful, wealthy, funny, those words refer adjectives of quality. Okay. Next we are going to see adjectives of quantity. Okay. So what is adjectives of quantity? An adjective of quantity specify quantity of thing. Okay, for example, okay, listen. So here it is, I have written 3 sentences. Let's see. We have enough food for a month. I want some rice. there is very little water in the jug. In the above the sentences, the words enough, some, little, those words refer adjectives of quantity. An adjective of quantity answer the question how much, okay. So how much food? Enough food. How much rice? Some rice. How much water? Little water. So the words enough, some, little, those words refer adjectives of quantity. Okay. Next we are going to see adjectives of number. Okay. So what is adjectives of number? And adjectives of number are numeral adjectives shows how many person or thing. Okay, for example, okay, listen. Here it is. I have written two sentences. Let's see. There are 55 passengers in the bus. She can speak several languages. Okay. So in the above the sentences, the words 55, several, those words refer adjectives of number. Okay. So an adjectives of number answer the question how many. Okay. How many? How many passenger in the bus? 55 passenger. How many languages? Several languages. So the word 55, several, those words refer adjectives of number. Okay. So sometimes we can use an adjectives of word both sentence. Okay. Let me make one sentence. You have to understand. Okay, listen. So here it is. I used an adjectives of words both sentences. Indeed, in the first sentence, sufficient milk, answer the question how much. Okay, how much. So this sufficient refer an adjective of quantity, because after the sufficient what is coming here? Milk. Milk, uncountable things. We cannot count. So that this sufficient refer adjectives of quantity. Okay, adjectives of quantity. In the second sentence, sufficient books. Sufficient books answer the question how many. Okay, how many. So this sufficient refer an adjective of number, because after the sufficient what is coming here? Books. Books we can count. So this sufficient refer adjectives of number. Okay, I hope you understand. Let me make one more sentence. Okay, listen. So here it is. I have written two sentences and I used an adjective of words both sentence. Okay, some and some, isn't it? Can you tell me which is adjectives of quantity or adjectives of number. Okay, can you tell me? Can I tell you? Give the beggar some food. So this some refer adjective of quantity. Okay, adjective of quantity, because after the sum what is coming here? Uncountable thing, food, uncountable thing, isn't it? So that this sum refer adjective of quantity. Okay, in the second sentence, let's see. Some parents came to meet the principal. Okay, so this sum refer adjective of number. Okay, adjectives of number, because so after the sum what is coming here? Parents, countable things, isn't it? So that this sum refer adjectives of number. Okay, I hope you understand what is difference between an adjective of quantity or and an adjective of number. Okay, next we are going to see demonstrative adjective. Okay, so next we are going to see demonstrative adjectives. So what is demonstrative adjectives? A demonstrative adjective point out which person or thing. Okay, for example, okay, listen. Here it is. I have written 3 sentences. Let's see. This house is not for sale. That gun is not his. Those men are very clever. So in the above the sentences, the words this, that, those, these were referred demonstrative adjectives. Okay. So demonstrative. What is point out? House. This point out house, that point out can, those point out men. So this, that, those, these refer demonstrative adjective. Okay, understand? So what is demonstrative adjective? A demonstrative adjective point out which person or thing. Okay, next we are going to see interrogative adjectives. Okay, so next we are going to see interrogative adjectives. Okay, so what is interrogative adjectives? An adjective which or when used with a noun ask a question is called an interrogative adjective. Okay, for example, okay, listen. So here it is. I have written 3 sentences. Let's see. What advice should I give you? Okay. Whose painting has won the praise? Which flowers do you like? So in the above the sentences, the words what, whose, which and when, those words refer interrogative adjectives. Okay, so interrogative adjective means we can use noun after the question. Okay, what, after what is coming here? Advice. painting, flower, those words are noun. Okay, we have to use noun after the question. You can think, ma'am, advice and painting, those were verb. I know that, but in this sentence, advice and painting, those refers in this sentence noun. Okay, means advice and painting, they can be used either as a noun or a verb. Okay, so in this sentence, advice and painting refer noun. So what is an interrogative adjective? An adjective which are when used with a noun ask a question is called an interrogative adjective. Okay, next we are going to see possessive adjectives. Okay, okay, so next we are going to see possessive adjective. So what is possessive adjectives? A possessive adjectives used with a noun to show position or belonging. Okay, so what is possessive adjective? A possessive adjective used with a noun to show position or belonging. For example, okay, listen. So here it is. I have written 3 sentences. Let's see. She washed her cloth. Please give me your pen. We were in our room. So in the above the sentences, the words her, your, our, his, its, their. So those words refer possessive adjectives. Okay. So possessive adjective answer the question whose. Okay, means whose cloth, her cloth, whose pen, your pen, whose room, classroom. Okay, sorry, classroom. Who classroom, our classroom. So the words her, your, our, his, its, their, those words refer possessive adjectives. Okay, understand? So what is possessive adjective? A possessive adjective used with a noun to show position or belonging. Okay, I hope you understand what did I teach you today. So what did we see today? We saw that what is an adjective and kinds of adjectives, isn't it? Okay, thank you students.